the standard form of exponent. This shall be for class 8 syllabus, right? So before we understand the operations of the standard form, let us see what is the standard form, okay? And the form that we are writing, the numbers that we are writing right now, what are those? Okay, so normally we write a number. Let's say the number is 15. Okay, now that is the usual form of a number. Okay, all of us write numbers like this, no? So the usual form of writing number is 15. So what is this standard form? So the standard form of the number is 1.5. Am I clear? So what is the logic behind the standard form? The logic is I have to place my decimal after one digit. Is it clear? One digit which
Yes,
has got
ma'am.
some value, right? That is my standard form of a number. Am I clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's take another example. So let's say the usual form of a number is 3256. Now, can you tell me the standard form, all of you in the chat, please? Yes? All of you all please open your chat boxes and write down the usual form. Arzu, very good. Mahanya, very good. Dipanshi, no Dipanshi. Anshika, very good. Nethlin, no. Wrong hai. Soham, wrong hai. So I was telling you the standard form of a number is what? The decimal should be after one digit, after single digit, not before single digit. So the standard form of this number shall be 3.256. Am I clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all of y'all. It is not before one number.
Okay, ma'am.
Decimal should be after one number. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Let's see the next one. Okay. Let's say the usual form is 15.25. Now, can you tell me the standard form of it? Chat mein dalo. All of you all use chat to answer. 15.25 ka standard form. Very good, Mahanya. Others? Aishwarya wrong. Arzu wrong. Ananya very good. Nathlin very good. Dipanshi wrong. Soham missed out on the number itself. Very good, Anshika. Others? Kya ho gaya, Paridhi? Aishwarya? Paridhi, I'm not getting answers. Now those who are not answering, they have to keep their videos on. So better start answering. Yes, very good, Paridhi. Nivedya? Yes, very good. Dipanshi, very good. Soham, very good. Okay, so now you got a hang of it. So the standard form of a number should be 1.525. Okay, very good. One last thing. So suppose this is my number. What is the standard form now? 0.0005841. What is the standard form? Aishwarya, wrong hai. The third one. No, Mahanya. Write it properly. The number should be valid, huh? Ananya, very good. The number should be valid. 0 is not a valid number. Nivedya, very good. Paridhi, wrong.
Ma'am, I got disconnected from the meeting.
Yeah. You can join back. I'm on the first page itself, Arzu. Nethlin, very good. Soham, no. The decimal should be after one digit. Yes? Yes. Aishwarya, are you listening? All of y'all can hear me properly?
Yes. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Anshika, very good. Now, see, Aishwarya, you are unable to understand this?
Yeah, ma'am.
What is so difficult for you to understand?
Ma'am, actually the point placing is making
I wrote the answer.
Yeah, correct hai abhi. See, the point should be after one digit. एक digit के बाद point होना चाहिए. Now here, the point is after two digits, no? So it should be after one digits, 1.525. That's it. What is so difficult in this? Yes. Now 3256. Where should the point be? After 3. Yes. Now here 0.0005841. Where should the point be? After 5. So 5.841. Clear? Aishwarya, abhi bhi doubt hai ki clear hai abhi?
No, ma'am, now clear.
Okay. All of you are clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Chalo. So now you are clear. One is a usual form, one is a standard form. Now do you know it is not, okay to write 15 ki jagah if I am writing 1.5. Is it so easy to write like this? See, you have changed the number totally. 15. Suppose you have 15 chocolates with you. And now when I write it in the standard form, you have 1.5 chocolate. So are the valuations same? Yes.
No, ma'am.
No, they are not equal to each other. So we cannot write the usual form as a standard form without doing any calculation. We have to include some calculation in this type of question. Am I clear? Yes. So
Yes.
that is what we are going to learn today, right? That is what we are going to learn. See, the decimals are shifting anyways. Huh? So see here, in this case, can you see the decimal is shifting backwards one step? Here in this question, the decimal is shifting front ways. How many times it is jumping? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times it is jumping, right? So we have to do this with the help of certain set of rules defined to convert a usual number into a standard form. Am I clear? That is what we are going to learn today. Is it clear to all of you, class 8? Chalo.
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
start. This you don't need to write, okay? This you will write it down, but only when I tell you to write. Before that, nobody is going to touch the pens. Okay. So the usual form of a number is 9876. So we already know the standard form, isn't it? What is the standard form? Let's say 9.
9.876.
9.876. It is my standard form. Okay. So first step for doing that decimal part is to first explain where is the decimal currently. Currently 9876 will have a decimal at the end.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
No, ma'am, it is.
Okay. I'll just share it. Abhi visible hai, Ananya?
Yes, ma'am. Now it is
Okay.
visible.
Sometimes there are some lags. It happens because we are doing it online, no? So happens. Chalo, abhi sabko visible hai. Let's proceed. So to convert it into the standard form, it is important for us to understand the position of the decimal. So where is the position of a decimal in this number? The decimal is right here at the end. So it is 9876.0. I've just added 0 so that it looks okay. Otherwise, if point डालेंगे तो क्या लगेगा? Full stop लगेगा, है ना? इसके लिए I'm putting a 0. Is it clear? Now, what we have to do now? Do we have to shift the decimal towards the right or towards the left?
Ma'am, left.
Ma'am, towards the left.
Towards the left, no? And how many times am I supposed to jump?
Ma'am, 3 times.
3 times.
3 times? 1, 2, 3. Yes, I have to jump 3 times. Okay, so the first rule that you need to remember is you are moving the decimal towards the left. Okay, and you're jumping how many times? 3 times. So keep in your mind L3. L3 should be there in your mind. Okay, now I will come out with my standard form. So my standard form is 9.8760 multiplied by, since I'm moving towards the left hand side, I will write down 10 to the power 3. Okay, if it is right hand side, R3, then it will be 10 to the power minus 3. But since it is a left hand side, it will be 10 to the power only 3. Plus 3 also you can say. Am I clear? Yes?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, so 3 came because we made 3 jumps.
Yes. Why are we doing this? ये मैंने आपको shortcut बताया है, ठीक है? But why are we doing this? Now, we already know in the previous question we had seen that 1.5 was not equal to 15, right? This was the usual number. This is the standard form, right? But are they equal? Yes, they are not. Yes. So what can we do something so that they make themselves equal to each other? Yes. So what we have done here, I have taken this as 9.876 multiplied by 1000. Let us solve this. 9.876 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 means what? 10
40.
into 10. Who is this?
Ma'am,
Ananya?
sorry.
Ma'am, 1000.
9 into 876 multiplied by 1000. Okay. Now when you multiply it by 1000, what happens? We do 9876000. Now 3 places of decimal. 1, 2, 3. Here. See, we got the original number. Here. It is matching, no? So
Yes, ma'am.
when I write my usual number as a standard form, I have not changed the value. I can proudly write 9876 is equals to 9.876 multiplied by 10 to the power 3. Yes? Because when we multiply 10 to the power 3, we are actually going to get this number. So they are now equal. Yes?
Ma'am,
Yes, Ananya.
ma'am, when the outcome is like same, so why do we do this?
It is a way of writing numbers. Why do we do this? Because there are several times where scientists need to write lot of numbers which are in the standard form. Okay, so if you have heard about atoms, yes. So in 1 gram, yes, as compared to 1 grams, what is the atom size? Yes, it's what 1 upon, yes, maybe 10 lakh times 1 upon 10 lakh. So that when it is written in the form of decimal, how does it come? 0.00000001 like this. So it becomes very difficult for people to understand this number. So they always take it in the standard form, which is this form. So it can be written as 1 into 10 to the power, let's say 7, minus 7. Okay, because वो left side जाएगा ना, right side जाएगा ना, तो इसमें minus 7 आ गया. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So like this, the calculation of minor values, very minor, minute values can be accounted properly. Sometimes the values are extremely large. So you don't have to write 500 million. So instead of 500 million, you write 5 multiplied by 10 to the power some number. So that big number can be written in short. Now, since you all are in 8th standard now, this is an introduction for you all to write down numbers in a form which are being used by scientists. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. So please write down this now. This is your question number 1.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Dipanshi, bolo beta. Others can please continue writing. Yes, Dipanshi, tell me beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if we have to shift our decimal 4 places, ma'am, then the answer will be 10 is
10 to the power 4.
10 to the
Plus-
power 4.
Yeah, plus and minus will depend whether it is right or left. If it is left, it is
Okay,
plus. If it is right, it is minus. Okay. Yes, anybody else? Any doubts? Anshika? कोई doubt है बेटा?
No, ma'am.
नहीं? Okay. Yes. Is it clear all of you? Chalo, next question करेंगे? All of us, let's try the next question. Now, this is question number 2. Usual form of a number is 0.000264. So you have to write it in the standard form. Will you all try it on your own?
Ma'am,
Try it
ma'am,
out?
we don't
Yes, ma'am.
we don't calculate further, right? After that 9.8.
That's the standard form. इतना ही है बस.
Okay.
लेकिन ये बहुत technical है. If you miss out one single decimal, so the answer goes completely wrong. Okay, so that is why this chapter is important. This year exponent is important only because of standard form. Chalo, I already have an answer coming. Aishwarya, wow, very good, Aishwarya. Stop sending me message now. See here, this is my number. So where I have to shift my decimal, towards the right or towards the left?
Towards the right.
Towards the right, isn't it? So we have to move towards the right. How many places you have to move? Yes,
Four.
four places. No, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So my number should be 2.64 multiplied by 10 to the power. Right side hai to -4. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
Paridhi, are you not clear with this? Dipanshi,
I understand now.
Anshika,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, now clear.
abhi clear hai? Let's draw this chart. Okay. Do not write all the numbers. We will write one number at a time. Okay. Don't write all the numbers. एक number लिखो. You never know आपको कितना जगह लगेगा. But ये 3 columns बना लो and write down the first number only and wait. We'll do a couple of questions together and then you can solve the rest on your own.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let's start. Okay, so the first number is 68720. Let us write it in the decimal form. 68720.0. This is just for us to enable how many places we need to jump. So we are jumping 1, 2, 3, 4 and also towards the left. Yes, so what will be my standard form? 6.8720 multiplied by 10 to the power what? Yes,
4.
4 plus or
Four.
minus?
Plus.
Plus. So
Plus.
simply 4. That's it. Okay. Now let's take this question. So here I have 0.000125. So 0.000125. Okay. So now I will let it jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what should be my answer be? 1.25 multiplied by 10 to the power. What?
Minus 4.
Moving towards the right. So it is -4. Am
Minus
I
four.
clear? All of you clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let's see the next question. So 458.2505. So here I have to jump 2 places and also towards the left. So it is 4.582505 multiplied by 10 to the power 2 or -2?
2.
2.
Two.
2, huh? Clear है सबको? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you all?